challenges. आणि ती challenges सांगत असताना, can you tell me which daughter of yours is a mischievous one? Naughty, माशे कोण आलोले, मस्ती चड कोताले.
Yeah, my younger daughter, Mary.
Younger daughter Mary. Mary is here. Okay. आणि सगळ्यात चड सात कोण आलोले? Saint.
Yeah, my elder daughter, Malaika.
Malaka, she's here. And what about other two?
Other two are just
Normal kids. Best behaved kids.
bad kids.
Best behaved kids. Okay, I'm sure you all have given some punishment to her, right? Okay. What about your son-in-laws?
All my sons are very handsome, and I'm very thankful to God to have all this video handsome son.
Well, she has a handsome son-in-laws here. Definitely, do you all agree with that? Okay. All right. With that note, are you all set to cut your delicious birthday cake? Yes. All right. Can I have all the family a little closer here? Okay. Can you just hold the knife? All right. With that, once again, let's give a countdown. And she's 70. That means I cannot say 70 numbers here. But I want you to give a countdown from 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, and 70. So are you guys with me? This side. Come on. All right. So here you go. Let's give a countdown. And, well, sing along with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. Woo, that was amazing. As she's sharing a piece of cake with all the family members here, we have her handsome son-in-laws who's gonna pop out the champagne for us for this evening. Well, can I have all the son-in-laws here, please? We have Custodio, Eusafio, Alvin, and Polly. Let's see which one's gonna pop first. Mrs. Paulina, who do you think will pop first? Come on. Polly. Okay, let's see. Come on. Come on. Woo! Come on. Woohoo! And with that, all four done. Next we have the cute little prince and princesses here who has something special to say for you on your birthday. Can I have Bruno here?
everyone. As the eldest grandson, it gives me immense pleasure to be here with my parents, siblings, family, and friends to celebrate this special day with our beloved Nani. In spite of various hurdles, my family and I have traveled all the way from Africa so as to be present here today, just to see our Nani happy and make her wish come true. Surely, God heard Nani's prayers and made all this possible, so that we can all celebrate as one big family. Our Nani has always been the backbone of our family, the one that holds everyone together very closely with her patience, care, and unconditional love above all. Dear Nani, we thank you immensely for being there for us when we needed you the most, and may God continue to bless you with the strength and wisdom to keep us united and always have us all by your side. Finally, we thank God for having blessed us with a Nani so special and pray that He also keeps you forever young and beautiful with many, many more years of life filled with good health, happiness, and peace. We love you very much, our dear Nani. And as we say in Portuguese, nós te amamos muito. Thank you.
Thank you, Bruno. Next we have Evelyn.
Firstly, I want to thank God for blessing me with a nanny like you. Nanny, you are so kind, gentle, and so loving towards me and my brothers. I want to thank you for everything you did for us. God bless you with good health and happiness always. Happy 70th birthday, Nanny. We love you.
Thank you, Evelyn. Next we have Elora. Arena. Oh.
Thank you, Nani, for always helping us whenever we needed. When Mama used to go to work, you were always there to take care of us. Nani, every memory with you is a treasure. Your love has been one of the greatest blessings of my life, and I hold it close to my heart always.
Thank you. And we have Esther here. Esther, oh, that's a cute little girl.
I love you.
She's not.
And the last one we have is Emily.
Thank you, Nani, for all the help you provided us. I want to cherish this moment with everyone and especially you. We wish you a happy birthday and an amazing celebration. Just know we love you no matter what.
Thank you, Emily. Well, champagne's early. Sourdough is early. What's next? Toast song. So, any guesses for Mutala? Elsie? All four. Yes, you are right. We have here Amchi Samki Swindanati Deshi Goinchi, all the queens here. We're going to sing the toast song for their loving mother. We have Malaika, we have Elsie, we have Emilia and Mary.
Uspian burgiang sa Malta Saite kostani traskaru Burgiang son manhata Amlia potachi bukti maru Burgia kaplia bore je bon vata Bore shiko di buntaka Mogan vado ita Aizami cantar recota Amce mogace mami Sotor borsa tu cabota Igor genai colami Charui mami son feliz.
Paulina va sobito jena, Kenya gawan tu zolmoli. Giuliano Sicilia chae quarter, so bauna mokan barni. Civitan तुमच्या बांदोड मोडा उप्रासली, हालते पोणी मामी तुम्ही जियेली. देवाक तुम्ही पोयलो जागो दिवून पावला माली फोडली. एक दीस देडीन तुका पयले, पयतोच पडलो तुज्या मोगान. सोबीत बावली कशी दिसो, नदर काडूं जावंक ना ताच्या. मुटले तुजेच लागीं हांव काजार जातलो, दूख तुका दिवचो ना जिवितांत. आयज देडी आमचो आमचे मोदेना, चिरूल आसा स्वर्गाराज्यान. वयता हांव तुका बरें मागोन धाडटा ह्या संवसारान. हांव मालायका तुजी व्हडली दूख, देवान आशिर्वाद घालूं. हांव इलिल्या तुजी दुसरी दूख, तूं सदांच खुशाल आसूं. आनीक हांव एल्सी तुजी तिसरी दूख, मामी 100 वर्सां ओदीक तूं उरूं. आनी हांव मेरी तुजी धाकटी दूख, देवान भलायकेन भरूं. मामीतून दोयाल काळजाची, तशीच ल्हान उतराची. बाराय नात्राच्या मोगाची, जावयाची आपुरबायेची. भावाच्यो पोशा तूं आवडीची, सगल्यांकूच मामी तूं जाय. हॅपी 70th बर्थडे मामी, तूं आमच्या मोगाची. स्वर्गार रावून बरें मागोन धाडटली, माय पाय बावणा तुजी. तुजे असली मामी मेळोंक नशीब आमचें. We love you, mommy.
Thank you very much. Viva.
Sacrifice, माझी सासू तुझी मदर माझी होणारी हमसफर I like your beauty, I like your fashion तुझ्यावर थांबून माझी नजर एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हालचाल शेकी शेकी आहे किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घेते एक नंबर तुझी कंबर हालचाल शेकी शेकी आहे किती सुंदर तुझं डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घेते
Exploding like fire.
Come on, everybody!
In the sky. Say hello to your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you make a party? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Drummer, 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 kiss it, body, body. Don't you make a party while you're pushing on me. Don't you make a party? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Drummer, 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 kiss it, body, body. I had it night and night. Et là, montre-leur comment on représente les top top. saudade. Por amor da voz de ilusia, ficou saudade. Fazer esse penada peluzinha para chicotada. Fazer esse penada peluzinha para chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Rapariga tem que luzir, não se pode assim. Rapariga tem que luzir, não se pode assim. Com a beira verde de luzir, não se pode comer. Com a beira verde de luzir, não se pode comer. Ai, luzir, luzir, me luzir, não cuspi no chão. Ai, luzir, luzir, me luzir, não cuspi no chão. Cuspir no meu peito, me luzir, vai cair coração. Cuspir no meu peito, me luzir, vai cair coração. Ai, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache.
Clap and wave. I love soca.
तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे छत्तीस फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होने वर्गी और न होने वर्गी और न होने तू मुट्ठा बिल्कुल वैसी है मैं कितनी ना तो थोड़ी और मैं तो बहुत नहीं हूँ तेरा और मैं तो बहुत नहीं हूँ तेरा सुन के तेरे गुण प्यारा चश्मा ओ मैं
लड़कों की दुनिया में तू आग लगाएगी फायर Listen to the woman जब देखे हमें झूठी liar To be Sorry,